Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. And Wolfie running for his glasses, nearly falling off his chair. And Wolf,
I'm excited about something, Dave.
Well, I've got the bull. I've got the bull behind me, so we're going to talk about that. And it's general share advice, not personal advice. And why have I got the bull? Wolf, come on, DSE, come on, baby.
Is this the moment, or is this another one of these in the middle of those green things that goes up and then comes back down again?
Or is that Kappa going to come in and bring it down? I don't know, but if it ends a day like this, Wolfie, I'm happy because you've liked this story. You kept saying, Dave, it's good. Well, now if it looks like this by the end of the day, but let's hope no one comes in and sells it back down to 23, which happens all the time with this stock. So
any of the members, you're not allowed.
All right, but yeah, fingers crossed. Yeah, this is definitely a hold, right? And could be a buy, could be a buy, and could be a very hot buy on the weekend. So let's have a look at it. Now, Wolf.
Yeah.
LYC, fill us in. We haven't had much news today. Obviously, you could see DSE moving. LYC was, it's bouncing off trend.
Well, quarterly actually wasn't too bad considering the actual prices kept going down for NDPR, but the production was high, I think. So overall, a very encouraging quarter for LYC. So that's why I think, when we talked about how far can it drop, and that $6, I thought maybe it could bounce, maybe it could go $5 if the quarterly's not as good. But I think maybe with this quarterly, that $6 now looks like support.
Well, and it held the trend line, didn't it, very, very well.
Yeah. But anyway, we wouldn't be trending this. This is something that, at least we're following, and we're hoping that it's going to stop and we're going to see it start moving back up to that $7.50, $8.
All right. Now let's have a look at Woodside, because they're stuttering on the trend line. Well, okay. I've only just managed to have, we've been busy this morning. I just have it doesn't look amazing when I'm looking at the production there. I think some of they say full year guidance remains unchanged, right? But they had a few maintenance activities that slowed things down a little bit this quarter. They're certainly not going to outperform. They're not going to beat guidance, are they?
No, look, we've got to take this into context. This is a dividend stock, right? We're not thinking this is going to be some miracle production upgrades all this time. No, this is just a steady dividend payer that we've put as a dividend play for one of those model portfolios for dividends. Yes, there's going to be possibly growth over the next 5 to 10 years because they have got some project that will possibly come online. But also remember, on a daily basis or a weekly basis, this is going to fluctuate with the nuances of the oil and gas space and possibly some short-term stories.
I suppose importantly for you, the announcement was good enough to maintain the dividend.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, right.
Bottom line, it's exactly right. I've got nothing in there that scares me or gets me excited. It's steady as she goes.
All right. Now,
the only reason why probably it's red is because the oil started to a little bit deep under $80, and there's a little bit of negativity saying there could be an LNG glut, right? Okay, short term, yeah. So what, we're in this for the dividend. So as long as it holds $30, we're okay.
All right. Now let's have a look at ACF, because unbelievable chart, and we're pretty much trending this. It's a good looking story, and one of your favorite things ever, Wolf. It's given us an upgrade. Yeah,
and again, this is a very, very strong, powerful tool and thematic when you're buying stories and you're trending stories and you're holding stories, is that upgrade cycle. Another one from ACF. Why would you sell? That's the bottom line. Why would you sell?
Well, it's on the way. Like, so we had a target of 90. We had a buy under 76. I think if you're not in it, it's still a buy. It looks very, very good, doesn't it?
Yeah, look, the thing is, you got to obviously, again, you got to take the context. What sort of an upgrade was it? Was it a bigger upgrade? Was it a top line, bottom line upgrade? All these little things you've got to take into account. In this case, it's actually quite interesting because it's the bottom line. So they are increasing the margins. I mean, that is very, very good in this market. You think to yourself, margins might be under pressure with economies now struggling a little bit, but no, they've actually increased the margins. So Well done to them. So I think it was an 8% bottom line upgrade. It's certainly a hold, and you're probably going to have this on your Einsteins, I'd say. So, yep, it doesn't look like
it'll be on Einstein. All right, Whitehaven Coal, which is actually, it's not good enough to be on Einsteins yet. My question is, can it get back over 750? And what's your feeling on this one, Wolfie?
No.
All right, not good.
Look, just to give you a quick summary of this, the actual quarterly wasn't too bad, but they had the price that they received for their coal about $400, sorry, which equates to about 240 US current price. And remember, these guys are like 90% thermal, 10% metallurgical, right? And if you look at the prices right now, it's even lower now. So surely the next quarter is going to be even worse than this one. So they are coming back, and I expect this to possibly head back to that, $6 somewhere around there.
Well, anyway, listen, management can roll in their 2.7 billion in cash, so I think that.
But that's the other thing, is they're still making a lot of cash flows, right? Even with these prices, still. But overall, it's still inflated. This is not normal pricing for coal.
Yeah. And good enough, do you think, for them to maintain a strong div?
Yeah, I think so for the moment. Yes.
Yeah.
So like I said, it's not trending. So can you make a case for a dividend? Maybe. But like I said, at the moment, I think there's headwinds with their price of coal. So maybe I would just, think maybe somewhere else to put my money in, to be honest.
Well, you know what? There are plenty of actually good dividend stocks anyway at the moment.
Exactly.
All right, Wolf, it's quick and short today. I'm going to leave it now. We are live at 1 hour from now. So go and have a coffee, go and do your makeup, all those things that you haven't done this morning. Very nice shirt, by the way.
Thank you. I'll wear it for you for today's Ask the Analyst.
We hope so. We hope so. It looks great. It's so you. It's just speaking to me.
Oh, anything good.
It's just like anyway.
I knew you like red.
All right, it's Republican color, of course. All right. On that note. All right. See you, Wolf. See you, mate.
Bye.
Bye.